Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking Shimla Mirch ki Sabji, a sabji that is one of the healthiest sabzis as it combines lemon juice, besan and Shimla Mirch. It is both healthy and tasty, and we are sure that once you taste it, you will never forget its flavor. Subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos and also check our channel's playlist for more videos. Shimla Mirch ki Sabji is highly beneficial for health. This sabji is nutrient-packed, can be included as part of a diabetic-friendly diet, and offers high dietary fiber, plant-based protein, and antioxidants. The lemon juice enhances iron absorption and provides a daily dose of vitamin C. It promotes healthy digestion, boosts immunity, supports heart health, and helps with weight management. Here's everything we'll need to make this tasty and healthy dish. Make sure you keep the ingredients ready. Fresh, finely chopped Shimla Mirch, also known as capsicum or bell pepper, sugar, salt, hing, chopped coriander, chili powder, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, lemon juice, and chana dal powder, called besan. Let us now see how Shimla Mirch ki sabzi is made. Take a cooking pan and add oil to it according to the quantity of chopped capsicum and ingredients. Let the oil heat up. Add mustard seeds, hing powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, and chopped Shimla Mirch. Let us now stir the ingredients so that our Shimla Mirch gets nicely coated. Add chopped coriander. Add a little salt, a little sugar, and lemon juice to our sabji. Close the lid of the cooking pan. After 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid. Stir the sabji a little and close the lid again. After another 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid and stir the sabji well. Check if the sabji is cooked or not. We can see our sabji is yet to be cooked. Let us close the lid. Open the lid once again. And add besan to the sabji. Along with coriander. Now, stir the sabji and besan well so that they combine properly. Close the lid now for the sabji to be cooked. After 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid. The sabji looks cooked, so stir it a little and switch off the gas stove. We have our sabji ready to be served. Take a serving bowl and transfer the sabji into it. Add a little coriander on top of the sabji for garnish. The sabji looks mouth-watering, and you will be eager to eat it as soon as possible. It is best eaten with roti, chapati, fulka, or bhakri. It has a unique taste due to the combination of besan and lemon juice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.